How to buy Ticketmaster resale tickets. To buy resale tickets on Ticketmaster, follow these steps. Go to Ticketmaster.com or open the Ticketmaster app. Use the search bar to find the event you want to attend. If resale tickets are available, they'll be marked as resale with a small red or orange icon next to them. Choose the resale tickets from the available options. You'll typically see seat details and prices. Resale tickets are sold by other fans, so prices may be higher, lower, or equal to the original face value. Review the ticket details and click Buy or Add to Cart. You need a Ticketmaster account. Log in or create one if you don't already have an account. Review your order, add payment details, and confirm the purchase. Once your purchase is complete, your tickets will be available in your Ticketmaster account and you may also receive an email confirmation. Thanks for watching.